Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum and namaskar. I'm really happy to welcome all of you to London Computer Institute and Training Center. It is located at Lalawajar, South Shoma, Sylhet, a place where learning becomes simple, practical and enjoyable. In today's world, computer knowledge, English communication and graphic design are not just a skill, they are essential tools for success. Whether you are a student preparing for your future, a job seeker trying to build your confidence, or trying to build your career, or even a professional looking to grow, these three skills can open thousands of doors for you. And that's exactly what we do here at London Computer Institute and Training Center. We help you learn the basic, build your confidence, and prepare you for the real world. At our institute, we focus on three main areas. 1. Basic computer training. 2. Spoken English course. And 3. Graphic design. In our basic computer course, we teach everything step by step, from how to use a computer properly, typing, and Microsoft Office programs like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, to practical internet skills that help you in daily life and at work. We make sure that our students not only learn the theory, but also get hands-on experience. That means you will actually practice and learn by doing, not just memorizing. And when it comes to spoken English, we know that many people can read and write English, but they hesitate to speak in English. Don't worry about that. It's completely normal. In our spoken classes, we start from the basic: pronunciation, vocabulary, sentence building, grammar, and gradually move towards conversation practice. If you haven't any idea about grammar, don't worry about that. Basically, we teach speaking English without grammar. And I can say that without knowing grammar, you will be able to speak in English after completing our course. We create a friendly classroom atmosphere where you can speak freely, make mistakes, and learn confidently. Our goal is simple. By the time you finish our course, you will be able to speak in English clearly, confidently, and correct English in any situation. It can be at school, college, interviews, or with your foreign clients. If you want to know about graphic design course, you have to come to our institute. Then you will get more information about that. At London Computer Institute, we believe that learning should never feel difficult or boring. That's why our teachers are not only skilled, they are caring, patient, and passionate about helping every student succeed. We provide small bases for personal attention, friendly teaching methods, regular practice sessions, certificates after course completions, and most importantly, real support for your progress. I want to say something from my heart. When we started London Computer Institute, our vision was to create a place where everyone, regardless of background or age, they could come, learn, and feel confident about their skills. Many of our students had little or no knowledge of computers or English before joining us. But today, they are working confidently, communicating fluently, and moving forward in life. That's what gives us motivation every day when we see our students grow, achieve, and smile. So, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to learn the computer, speaking English, or graphic design, this is the right time. And London Computer Institute and Training Center is the right place for you. Visit us today, call us for more details, or message us right here on Facebook. We are always ready to help you. And remember one thing, the world is changing fast. So take your step today. Learn, speak, and succeed with London Computer Institute and Training Center. Your learning journey starts here. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.